friends, how are y'all? Hi guys, I cook noodles and beef liver. This is good for iron too, and vegetable. So we can get a little bit some of. We eat a little bit noodles, and we get some more vegetables to eat more vegetables. Sometimes I cannot take it. I cheat my diet. I eat sometimes junk food, but not always. So vegetables is good for the body. So it's delicious. It smells good. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Follow my channel. See you guys later. Let's eat. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.